Okay, so here we have this Q-wing electric scooter. King's wing, Queen's wing, however you say it. Wings, I don't know, I have no idea. Anyway, so basically I bought this thing for the motor, the hub motor in the back. This is a single motor scooter. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend buying one of these for the retail price because the welds are kind of bad. There's a crack here, there's a crack down here, there's a crack here, and if I do this, I mean, yeah, okay, some of that's those bolts are loose, but a lot of it's the frame's cracked, so this will need some welding before I use it. If I use it, I probably will run it just to see what it's like, but I've got to weld this up here, here, down here, and down here. I mean, the weld's like someone got a seagull and squeezed it, basically, after feeding it laxatives for about a month. But yeah, Q-Wings electric scooter, we're going to put this motor on this Vicky scooter. This is a 2-wheel drive. Started out as 500 watts, just a mock-up. We don't do 500 watts though, do we, lads? Let's be honest here, and ladies. We want some more power. This is an aluminium deck Vicky scooter. This is a steel deck. King wing, I don't know how the hell you say it. They're both folding scooters, but you get the idea, lads. This is our next little project, and this thing as well as the old specialised turbo Kenvo that's been taking up a lot of my time with the battery. But yeah, see you in the next couple of days with an awesome video involving that, more than likely. Thank you for watching.